Hello, Toon Car Collectors. Today I'm going to finish off a collection. Although it's probably a collection no one cares about. Except for me. So these are some freebies put out by Wonda Coffee. And the canned coffees you can get in Japan. And every now and then these things are snapped on top of them, I guess. Or taped on top of them. And they're pullback toys. They're like Cherokees, but they're free. Granted, these don't have all the paint apps. This particular one is just chrome gold. I wonder if they're going to come out with colored ones, because I'd probably buy those. But I haven't seen them, so this one is obviously new in the package. The other ones I just bought loose here locally. That little tooth thing is really difficult. Okay, let's see if there's anything in here. So American cars. We got the 2011 Grand Cherokee to look at here. And then, yeah, it tells you what the other ones are, but I'm going to show them off anyway, so that's cool. It is very, very chromed, gold chromed, so it's gold finger. But it's nicely molded. There's actually ribbing texture here in the grill. There's another different texture down here. Looks like maybe, I don't know, maybe, no, never mind, I thought fog lights. I guess these are fog lights, though. A little wiper fluid ejectors. You can actually see my reflection there. Door handles are sticking out. A little fuel filler here. The wheels are just generic. They just don't look remotely like Grand Cherokee's wheels. But this is a free toy, so you got to go with it. This little tab is holding the back down of the bottom, and then there's probably a screw in the front. But look at all the molded details. A little exhaust pipe there. So it's all nice. It's just, sadly, it's just all one gold color, right? A little ribbing and even a sunroof. So yeah, you got a screw here. And one thing I like about Wonda, they tell you at least their brand. It would have been cooler if they told you the car, but maybe this base might be shared with other ones. Maybe not. I don't know. But hold on, let me get that knife out here. So these are pullback toys. What I like about these is they don't have a silly coin holder like Cherokee has, so you can actually just see the toy instead of like a weird rectangle on the back. Well, now, yeah, so I think the base is shared. I mean, this car is totally different, right? So I can understand why they don't write what the car is, but at least they tell you the brand, so that's nice. So this one here is a 1958 Plymouth Fury, like the Christine movie car, I believe. So this one looks like some gold is missing and may have been played with. It's obviously scratched up. I could probably hold out and buy another one. These aren't too expensive, but I don't really love these things. I just bought them because they're cheap. So this one has some disc wheels, like hubcap wheels there. Yeah, nice grille texture here, nice molded tail lights. You got the raised ribbing here for the different color panel on the real car. The molding for the window is raised, so you could probably add some black paint there if you want. Even a little door handle and a little bump for a key. I mean, this is a tiny sorry, cough. This is a tiny little thing. It's like some sort of badge up here, a little chrome strip there, and then the lights and all the grill patterns. Very cool. Alright, so that's that one. Then we got the good old Dodge Viper. I believe this is a second generation Viper. I could be wrong though. Yeah, same base it looks like. Got those first set of wheels like that Jeep. You got the side pipes right there. The venting detail, the window. This one actually has mirrors sticking out. So did the Jeep. The Plymouth does not. A little vent, a little badge raised there. Some fog lights. The venting up here, and actually the venting up here looks, there's even a grill texture in the hood vents. So okay, a little fuel filler there. Dodge badge back here is very nice. Yeah, it's all good. I mean, you gotta remember it's free. And the last one is pretty sweet as well. We got a 69 Dodge Charger. Sadly, this one's really scratched up. Oh well. So yeah, door handle and the door lock are nice. It's got just the old disc wheels. Tail lights are recessed so you could add stuff. They actually even like kind of got the RT back there, right? They even molded in an RT. And then the lock thing here. It's got some sort of, I don't know, wait. What are these round things? I'm gonna guess these are the exhaust, and maybe these are backup lights, these round things. Yeah, minimal black plastic there. Kind of looks like a license plate. And yeah, front ribbing here, and the grill looks pretty nice. And then even the little lights down here, probably the turn signals. So very nice little stubby mirrors there. So let's see the rest of them. So the whole set seems to consist of 10. So here we have a Dodge Ram from 2009, I believe. And there we go. We also have a PT Cruiser. I didn't even label this because I used to own one of these, so I pretty much know what it is. The more modern Chrysler 300C. I guess it's a 2010 model. A really old one, a 1935 Chrysler Airflow. So this is cool. Very, very retro, very old styling. I like it. Pontoon fenders. And we have a 47 Town and Country. And I'm always thinking of this as like a station wagon, but I guess they had a convertible sedan or something as well. This is really tuned out. Yeah, maybe the most tuned of them all. In the last one, we have an old 1955 Chrysler 300. Okay, looks like a Godfather car or something. Set the focus. Let those go for a spin. They're so shiny. Alright, well, yeah, as I mentioned, you can probably pick up the whole set on eBay pretty cheap because these are free to Japanese people drinking coffee. I just bought them piecemeal here. And so let us hope that they come out with these again, but actually painted so they look normal. You know, the coffee's called gold, Wonda Gold, so I can understand why these are gold, but they would definitely look better if they're just painted like normal cars. And I have a feeling like they wouldn't just make all these molds just to do it one time, right? Yeah, that wouldn't make sense. Well, you never know. Maybe whoever made these molds, maybe they broke their relationship with Wanda. So if you love a deformed American cars, which are pretty rare to find actually, because Cherokee doesn't do too many of them, you might want to pick up this set. Thank you for watching today. I'll see you in the next deformed video.